So you've gone through, you've got your boards cut now. It's very important to come through. We're gonna remove this tape. Well, then we've got this scrap board. This is the one that we don't require. For this one, don't throw it out. It's enough timber that we can use it for maybe later in the project if required. For example, our drawer front, depending on whether there's enough material there for you, or it can be used for a different project. So that's why we always have scrapping. So keep this to the side because you may want it later. The next thing we're going to go through and do is we're going to get those two boards that are 312 in length, and we're removing the tape from them, from both of them. And it's a bit of a annoying process. And we're actually going to tape these boards together now. And the reason we're doing this is because we want an identical cut. Now, even though these were cut to the same measurement, they're ever so slightly different. There's probably about 1/2 mil difference, and we don't want that. So what we're going to come through and do is remove anything off the benches, and we're going to tape these together to get that perfect measurement. So even if it's 311 mils, ultimately what we need is a perfect length of the both boards rather than a one being perfect and one being 1/2 mil out. We want them just to be identical. So when you're doing this, making sure to try and keep both ends as close together as possible, and you're keeping that tension on the tape. I'm going to do this to both ends. Once you've got both ends taped up, you're right to go, but I'll see you in the next video to talk about how we're going to utilize that drop saw now to really take the smallest amount off possible while still ending up with a quality product. Right, see you in the next video.